Hello everyone. So today I will teach you how to take a body measurement correctly to ensure perfect fitting. So I am using this dress form to show you how to take body measurements. So let's start. So first measurement is around the bust measurement. This is important measurement for making upper garment. So let's start. So hold the tape with both hands and measure the bust part from the fullest area. So I am using this inch tape and it comes 38 inch. So you have to measure your bust around the fullest area of your bust. Okay, so this is our first measurement. Make sure whenever you are taking measurement from body, you have to leave one finger gap for a loosing. Second measurement is the around the waist measurement. So around the waist measurement is the thinnest area of the waist. So again we will hold in measurement tape with both hands and take from thinnest area of the waist. So thinnest area of waist is here. So it comes 31 inches. Okay, this measurement is used in your kurti or a top, but if you want to make blouse, you have to take waist measurement from here. That is where your bust level complete. So I am taking waist measurement for blouse from here where you want to end the blouse length. Okay, for a blouse we have to take measurement from that point where your blouse length ends. So for blouse it comes 32.5 inches. Okay, so you have to take 2 inches down for measuring your waist for a blouse part. Okay, but if you want to make a kurti, so you have to take thinnest area of your waist. Okay, so here is the difference in a waist part. Third measurement is the around the hip. This measurement is used in your pant or a bottom or an upper garment. Okay, if you want to make kurti, hip measurement is required, and in pant or a palazzo also we required hip measurement. So around the hip measurement is the fullest area of your hip. So we will check from where our hips is heavy, so we will take measurement from that area. So here is a hip is more, so we will take measurement from the fullest part of your hip. So it is coming 40 inches. Okay, so this 3 measurement is a basic measurement. Then we have to take a length for garment you are making. So I am making a blouse, so I will take measurement for that. So put your inch tape at the shoulder tip where our neck starts and measure the length you want to make. So here is 15 inch coming for making blouse length. Now suppose you want to make a kurti, so how much you can take? So put your measurement from shoulder tip and measure like this, and where you want to end just record it. If you want your kurti length from till here, so you can take 36 inches. Okay, so this is a length part. Now how to measure a shoulder? So for shoulder you have to always measure this measurement from back of your body. So measure shoulder from one point of shoulder to other point like this. I'm putting 1/8 of inch tape here and one point at here. At one point to other point of shoulder is your shoulder measurement. So here it comes 15 inches. Okay. After this we will measure around the armhole. So you have to lift your arm like this and measure your armhole. But I am using this dummy, so I am showing you how you can take. You have to lift your arm like this and measure. So below the armpit, this is armpit, and this is armpit. You can measure like this curve. You have to leave losing while measuring this armhole. So here it comes 15 inches. Okay. Now we will measure sleeve length after this. So keep the tape at the shoulder point. This is shoulder point, and measure how much you want to take your sleeve length. So sleeve, this is your short sleeve, this is half sleeves, till elbow is half sleeves, and till here 3/4 sleeves, and from till here. So I am making short sleeves. So it coming 6 inches. So this way you can take your sleeve length. After this you have to measure sleeve bottom, where your sleeve length ends. From there you have to calculate your sleeve bottom. So here is 6 inches. So you have to take sleeve bottom like this. So it is coming 14 inches. Okay, if you are making full sleeve, so take from here. It is coming 8 inches. So this is about the sleeve measurement. So we will do almost every measurement. Now talking about a neck depth. So we will calculate neck depth in diagonal. Okay, this is our center front line. So put your measurement tape on a shoulder tip and measure your neck width like this. How much you want neck depth. You can take 10 inches if you want a deeper neck, or 8.5 inches or 7 inches. From back also you have to calculate your neck like this, 12.5, 13 in diagonal. This is your center line. You have to put your inchi tape like diagonally. So we're done with the body measurement. You have to record all your body measurement for making any garment. So write down your measurement in a paper, and after this we will learn how to make a blouse.